All right, the most important lesson I think to learn in writing is how to write a thesis statement, and I want you to be able to write it effectively. The thesis statement, write this down, is the engine that drives the paper. It is that one main sentence. Yes, I expect in my class for it to be one sentence. It is that one main sentence that's found at the end of the intro. You have your introduction, and I'm going to teach you how to do a good introduction. Your very last sentence is that thesis. And I expect it to go here, and I expect it to be one sentence, okay? So how do we put together that one sentence so it's an effective sentence that can guide the paper? Yes?
It's 3 parts that is put together.
Yes, it is. Okay, so let me show you how that works. She used the word parts, so glad that you did, okay? Watch this. It needs to be your top priority, okay? So there are 3 elements that go into this thesis. The first is your topic. What is your topic that you're writing about? Needs to be clear inside this one sentence. Okay, if it is the oil in the Gulf of Mexico, then I want to know it's about those oil rigs, okay, in the Gulf of Mexico. The next is the opinion. You all are going to take a stance. It's called a rhetorical stance. You have a position you're taking regarding this. Are they doing a good job? Are they messing up our, the ecosystem? What is happening? I need to know what your position is inside that thesis. The last are your parts. Your parts are your reasons, or you might call them your claims that you're making. And you guys do that with researched information. That's what that parenthetical citation means there, okay? You are going to choose some reasons why those oil rigs in the Gulf are disastrous for the ecosystem, and then you're going to give me 3 reasons. Sometimes 4 reasons. It's hard to develop a really good research paper with 2 reasons because you want to be able to have, extensive research to be able to support it, okay? This is one sentence that is written. It's placed at the end of the introduction, and it will guide the writing. How does it guide the writing? This is what I need you to understand. These parts that you have here at the end of the thesis become the focus in your topic sentence. Okay? So we looked at those topic sentences and how you would have focus. If you're going to write about 3 different things regarding the oil rigs, then your first focus will be maybe on your first part. Your second focus will be your second part. Your third focus will be your third part. Now, if you're only writing a 5-paragraph paper, then you'd think 1 paragraph for each part, intro, conclusion, you're done. If you're writing a 5-page paper, you will have more paragraphs for each part. Just remember this. Keep reminding me in the topic sentence that you're still focusing on this particular aspect. That's the rule of the topic sentence. It helps me see where you're going in the organization of the paper.